Hey guys, Mayflom here, and today I want to share with you a quick little video, some tips and tricks for working with your ScanNCut. I've got the ScanNCutDX here, but these tips do apply to any model. First of all, with your ScanNCut, when you first get it, and honestly, once a month or so, every couple of months, you want to be sure to check. You see how I pushed that button in case you didn't see that down here in the corner. Down here, you have all kinds of different things that you can adjust. I'll be honest with you, I don't touch any of these almost ever. But if you keep going down, you're going to get to here where it's going to say version. And this says version 1.02. This is how you can tell what version of software you have. And if you need to update it, if you have Wi-Fi enabled, you can do it that way. Or the way I usually do it is go to the ScanNCut website and click through the different links to get to updates for ScanNCutDX or whatever model you have and update it. Put it on a USB drive, then just plug it in the side over here and update. And this is how you would do it. You would just push this button and update. At the time of filming this video, mine is updated, so I don't need to do that. Let me just say okay. Back to the beginning. Tip number 2, your mat is your friend, guys, but it also, and I've got a dirty one on purpose right here. This is actually a low tack mat. So with the DX, you always have to put it in that way. No, it is not recommended to try to use other mats and like make the register markings and do it yourself. It's not recommended, but this is just a little wipe. A baby wipe, non-alcohol kind of a baby wipe, so nothing with like cleaners and everything, just a little wet wipe. If you do this, can you see that? Okay, I'm getting all of that fuzz and I'm very gentle. Notice how I'm not scrubbing it. I am not digging in here, but I'm getting all kinds of dust. A lot of times with my mat, I will even think it's clean and I go to do this and I go, wow, you know, I didn't even realize how much dust and debris had collected on my mat. So you go like so all over the whole mat. Don't be in a rush. I like to go one end to the other and I continuously turn and turn and turn. So I'm always presenting a clean side and it's amazing to me how much dust and whatever else gets on these mats so quickly and just nice and gentle, okay? And what this is going to do is you're removing all that debris from your mat. When you're all the way done, let it air dry. It might take a couple of minutes, but let it totally air dry. And I've got a puppy hair on there. Anyhow, once it's completely dry, and I do mean completely dry, then you're going to get out your dust protector. You're always going to want to keep this. And once it's completely dry, put that back on, and your mat is going to be revived, rejuvenated. It's going to be so much better once it's been cleaned. And I try to do that about once a week, but really, depending on how many projects I've been doing, once the mat starts to lose its stick, I try that. And a lot of times that really increases how I can use it. My other tip for you here quickly, not here, but I'll show you a quick screen grab. Go over to Canvas Workspace. And check out the free patterns, guys. They have so many free patterns over here. I mean, we already have a bunch of built in here. Take advantage of those, but also take advantage of those designs and patterns and all the videos and all the different ways that Brother has stuff available for you. I hope these couple of quick tips and tricks help you out. If you have any requests for future videos, feel free to let me know. I'll see you next time.